Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu ufanele. So amathima amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Ngibuyile ke bafethu about indaba zama PSL transfer news. Indaba engizoqala ngayo indaba eshisayo esivuke ngazo namhlanje Kaizer Chiefs iconfirmile isigning yayo entsha uSpecial Ndlovu. Benikhumbulayo uSpecial Ndlovu is the former Maritzburg United and Orlando Pirates player. He played for SuperSport United before joining Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyakhumbuleka I spoke about uSpecial Ndlovu joining iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs ade imfuna lo mjito lo, so uzojoin iKaizer Chiefs sebeconfirmile right now ulibhekisele eNetherlands uyojima neteam. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje idefender lala eSouth Africa uMhleli Mabuza usesayine neclub edlala lePortugal kwiPortuguese League 3 side igama layo iAmora. Yabo lo mjito lo una 24 years old uzojoina leya club le for 1 year deal with an 1 year option ukuthi extend with the team. Menikhumbula kahle ke uMhleli Mabuza waya kuKaizer Chiefs oyoshaya ama-trial but ke iKaizer Chiefs didn't like indlela adlala khona, so they opted to sign another player instead of signing uMhleli Mabuza. So umjida uzoqhubeka adlale le eEurope. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa uYusuf Maat mfethu umdlali weKaizer Chiefs lo captain kuthiwa akekho le Netherlands with the club. Njobe engekho le Netherlands with the club, Kaizer Chiefs are looking to sell uYusuf Maat une club interested in signing uYusuf Maat eqhamuka le eAustria, yabo. So njobe ehleli la eSouth Africa ulinde ivisa yakhe uthi kulunga ivisa yakhe because it appears that two clubs nama club awu2 aserichile iagreement ukuthi bamdayise uYusuf Maat. So yena uselenda ivisa ukuthi ahambe ayodlala le eAustria, yabo. Simfisele okuhle bafethu uYusuf Maat. Abantu abaningi bengalibona italent kulomjida but ke it seems like amateam amaningi overseas alibona wona italent, so ngenzeka ayishiye ngempela iKaizer Chiefs and kuyayenza sense ngempela ukuthi basign uSpecial Ndlovu. That is the reason why they signed uSpecial Ndlovu, because uYusuf Maat uyahamba. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu umdlali uOrlando Pirates undaba ayithethwa Ndlondlo ke bafethu sengashaya ivideo before addressing abadlali engenzeka abayishiya Orlando Pirates, and undaba ayithethwa Ndlondlo was one of those players ongenzeka ashiye ngempela Orlando Pirates. Indaba iphumile ke namhlanje kuseni kuthiwa undaba ayithethwa Ndlondlo njengoba sikhuluma nje mina nawe usay free agent right now. There is no team currently engisazwile ukuthi ngenzeka ayijoine, but njengoba sikhuluma nje uyi-free agent. Wangitshela ama-comments uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi, iyiphi team wena obonayo ukuthi angenzeka ayijoine. But ke there are teams engabona mina ewajoina. First of all, I think iChippa United iteam yokuqala nje for me engayenza sense ukuthi undaba ayithethwa Ndlondlo ayijoine noma amaZulu FC. But ke wangitshela ama-comments which team does undaba ayithethwa Ndlondlo must join, which team must he join. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iDurban City FC siconcludile ideal kaTrevor Mokoena. Sengakhuluma ngoTrevor Mokoena, I think ekuthanga I spoke about this player ofunwa iDurban City oqhamuka le eUpington FC. Kuthiwa iDurban City futhi sisayine also a Ghanaian goalkeeper uFrederick Asare on a free transfer. Basayina futhi noLorenzo Godino lo qhamuka le kwiCape Town City. So iDurban City ibalanda impela abadlali bafithi bafuna ukusiqinisa isquad sabo ahead of le season le entsha ezoqala nje. So sobona amateam amaningi azobe nequality yabadlali. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphuma namhlanje ithiwa iBanias Club reach an agreement with Stellenbosch FC to sign their defender uIsmail Olivier Tor, yabo. They signed a player on undisclosed transfer fee. Personal terms have been agreed and medical isiyenziwe, yabo. Umjito una 27 years old usign a long term contract with le club le yale. Izinto zamkhanyela ngempela lo mjito abafethu zimkhanyela nje strong. Useyodlala le uyodla imali le koQatar mfethu Saudi Arabia. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphuma namhlanje kuthiwa uRowan Fernandez will join uKevin Hunt. Uzojoin i-technical team at Kevin Hunt kwiDurban City FC. Lapho khona uzoba khona ugoalkeeper coach weDurban City FC. Kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa lo umdlali lo bafethu ofunwa uOrlando Pirates ozosayina for Orlando Pirates omushasha. Lo mdlali lo bedlala kule team le ade idlala khona uMareko, yabo. Sizosayina omunye futhi uMareko. Orlando Pirates are expected to conclude a deal for another player from Mali, uAbdoulaye Dine Mareko from Joli Bade. Attacking midfielder was named League 1 Pro 2024-2025 player of the season. So lo mdlali lo player of the season bafethu kule season esiswa kuyona. So Orlando Pirates iyamsayina ngempela. Pirates already signed uAbdoulaye S Mareko, a defensive midfielder. So we signed a defensive midfielder and attacking midfielder from the same team. Abachite laba I hope bazofika kuOrlando Pirates basize mfethu. sesithenge i-attacking midfielder entsha le. Kwezinye zezindaba eziqhamuke namhlanje kuthiwa uKaram Kimvidi has been informed by Orlando Pirates that he'll be allowed to leave if an offer around $400,000 comes in. Yabo, iclub bafethu Orlando Pirates ngeke ime endleleni yakhe uKaram Kimvidi mefuna ukuhamba angahamba, but uma qhamuka iclub willing ukukhokha le mali ifuna iOrlando Pirates bangamdayisa uKaram Kimvidi. Yabo, sekulele kuyena kumjida ukuthi yipi iclub ayitholayo. Kwezinye zezindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa as Algerian giant iMC Alger look to replace uKhaled Ben Yahia who officially stepped down following the expiry of his contract. They have shortlisted uManqoba Mnqithi lo owucoach weGolden Arrows currently. Yabo, so uManqoba Mnqithi ke ngenzeka abe ucoach omusha weMC Alger, ukuhlu lo coach ongenzeka baqokwe to become the new coach of iMC Alger. Niyalibona ukuthi ibhola la South Africa lidlondlobele kanjani. Nyalibona na ibhola la South Africa lidlodlobele kanjani. They see there is quality in South Africa. They are coming for our coaches now. Kwezinye zezindaba eziphuma namhlanje kuthiwa AmaZulu FC have made a dramatic U-turn on their decision to release a striker uBoniface Harbour who was let go a few weeks ago. Manikhumbula kahle ke uBoniface Harbour was on the list yabadlali laba abadedelwe AmaZulu, but ke umchida ngenzeka abuyele kuMaZulu because AmaZulu afuna ukusayina kabusha uBoniface Harbour bamnikeza contract century umchida. It looks like ama-strikers amaningi abanawo, so they need another quality striker phambili, so they will resign uBoniface Harbour. Kwezinye zezindaba engizwile namhlanje uNtsundwana sengakhuluma ngoNtsundwana bafethu ukuthi uzojoina iChippa United. iChippa United iassessa uNtsundwana benoThulani Mini. Yabo, uThulani Mini is a former Stellenbosch player. Umshida right now we free agent, so ngenzeka assign uChippa United. Mase sibheke ama signings enziwe iBulukwane City. iBulukwane City sisign 4 players right now. Okubani uMalepe oqhamuka le kwiPretoria Carriers, kuba uMoremi oqhamuka kwiPretoria Carriers, futhi mase kuba uSebone again oqhamuka kwiPretoria Carriers, mase kuba uMvundlela oqhamuka kwiPretoria Carriers. I don't know, maybe they have a partnership with the Pretoria Carriers because it seems like they are raiding iPretoria Carriers indlela ebenza ngakhona. So they signed 4 players abaqhamuka khona. I don't know, maybe mali le bayithole kwiPirates because of the signing ya Osuna Police, but again Bulukwane City they are strengthening their squad bafethu besign 4 players. Kwezinye zezindaba eziqhamuke namhlanje iZamalek isi-appointe ucoach omusha. Lo coach lo qhamuka le eGermany if I'm not mistaken, so they appointed uYannick Ferreira as their new head coach. Manikhumbula kahle ke iZamalek yay interested in signing uRulani Mgwena. That deal fell through. Asazi kwenzakalani, interested ukusign uPeter Mosamane. That deal fell through. Asazi kwenzakalani. So they got a new German coach ozokwazi ukuba coach lapha eEgypt.